Number 5, 60 people attended a game night. Everyone chooses to play chess. Will be a 2-person game. Or they can pick cribbage, which is a 4-player game. All 60 people are playing either chess or cribbage. Complete the table to show the different combinations of number of each type of game being played. Okay, so if I look at this table, I see here there are 8 games of cribbage being played. According to the rule, to play cribbage, it takes 4 people. So this is not 8 people, it's 8 games. So 8 times 4 is going to tell me how many people are playing those games. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, we know however many people are playing chess plus the cribbage people has to make 60 people total at the game night. So I'm going to do, okay, well, what's 60 minus 32? I'm going to borrow because there's not my calculator on me. 28 people are playing chess. How many people does it take to play chess? 2 people. So it's not 28 people, this is how many games. So for 28 people to play, I need to divide by 2, and I get, okay, there's 14 games being played right now. Okay, I'm going to put my rule over here. 2 times 14 plus 8 times 4 equals 60. Okay, so next thing. Okay, now I know there's 12 chess games being played. I know it takes 2 people, so 2 times 12. So right now, there are 24 people playing chess. There are still 60 people total at the game night. Alright, well, let's think about what's 60 minus 24. Again, borrow, we've got 6, 36 people are playing cribbage. Okay, well I know 4 people are playing at a time. 4 times what is 36? 4 times 9. Again, you don't have to write this times 4 times 2, but it helps me to know what I do every time. Down here, I've got 15 games of cribbage, so times 4. 15 times 2 is 30, double that is 60. So everybody is playing cribbage. So nobody is playing chess. Last one, 2 times 2, there's only 4 people playing chess. That means there's a total of 56 people over here playing cribbage. So now I need to figure out, okay, well, 56 divided by 4, I get 14 games are being played of cribbage. Okay, each of these boxes were points. So you should have 14, 9, 0, 14. Then, we need to figure out, there are 3 more games of cribbage being played than games of chess being played. How many of each game are being played? Explain or show your reasoning. So this right here is a system. That means I need 2 equations. Okay, so I want to see 2 equations, and I also want to see a point. What is the answer? So I need to use my information from above in my table. I also need to make sure I use my variables that they gave me. Chess is x, cribbage is y. So I should see equations with x's and y's. Okay, well, what was the rule every single time? We know something plus something was the 60 people at the game night. Well, I had 2 different games being played. I had chess and I had cribbage. How many people could play per game for chess? 2. How many people could play per game for cribbage? 4. So 2 times the chess games plus 4 times the cribbage games equals 60 people total. That's one of your equations. That's coming straight from your table. The next one they give you right here. Okay, so they say there's 3 more games of cribbage being played than games of chess. So I need to figure out, well, I know cribbage is y and chess is x. I also know that more means plus. So I'm going to see 3 plus something equals something. I still need to do with x and y. Am I adding 3 to the cribbage games, or am I adding 3 to the chess games? I'm adding 3 to the chess games, because there's 3 more games of cribbage than there is chess. Okay, so that means that this is going to be y. These are your 2 equations. Now you need to figure out, how do we solve? This is just like on the other problem. You know what y is, so anywhere you see y, you can plug in this whole expression. So I'm going to rewrite 2x plus 4 times x plus 3 equals 60. Now I'm going to solve. Okay, I have to distribute. 2x plus 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 3 is 12, equals 60. Okay, putting things together, 6x plus 12 equals 60. Take away my 12. I'm left with 6x equals, I'm going to borrow 48. That means once I divide 6, x equals 8. Alright, now I'm going to plug that in up here. I'm going to use this one because it's way easier. It will work no matter which one you pick. Okay? If I plug it in, 8 plus 3 equals y, 11 equals y. Now, if you just have these two things, you're not going to get full credit. You need to see a point because that's what a system of equations is. Where do they intersect? At 8, 11. Let me know if you have questions.